Looking for a highly equipped family vehicle that has classic styling and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified, pre-owned 2019 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L Plus in dark Cardigan Pearl. With the S Appearance package, premium fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum black noise wheels, black stow-in-place roof rack, black badging, LED tail lamps, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 7-inch full-color digital driver info display, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, blind spot and cross path detection, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, heated second row seats, seat back video screens, second row and third row stow and go seats, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5370.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.